Today we're building 4 gaming PCs in 24 hours. So our friends over at Xbox wanted to sponsor a video to promote Xbox Game Pass for PC and the latest title hitting the service, which is Back 4 Blood. With 4 PCs to build, I cannot do it on my own, so I pulled in my good buddy Judd from Your Average Consumer. And this is only the first of several gaming PC builds we'll be doing. The first stop is to pick up Judd from the airport. He's going to be in California for literally 24 hours. We need to design, build, test, and get these things ready to go to celebrate the launch of Back 4 Blood. I'm gonna level with you here. Ken is usually head of the arts and crafts department for our videos.
Listen, that's what I'm here for.
Judd, painting expert.
There you go.
Each of the builds is designed after one of the cleaners in the game. So not only do we have Holly, who's all about keeping the team together, we have Hoffman, who's the one who's always prepared, Doc, who is, surprise, surprise, the doctor, and then we've got Walker, who is the hardened soldier. With our items procured, the next step is to go to the office and actually start building our 4 PCs in 24 hours. Okay, so it's time to begin the build. Oh, look. Is that our friendly neighborhood Jared, who has acquired all of our PC components?
Yeah, well, while you guys were dilly-dallying,
With all of this nonsense?
Scavenge around in true Back 4 Blood fashion and get 4 PCs worth of components here.
It's a
Good
lot
job.
of gear, you guys.
It was hard, but we got it.
So because we have such limited time, the first thing we're gonna do is do the first aesthetic pass on these systems. So we're gonna start out with Walker, which this is a system which looks very generic, but I think we can make it look really sort of like practical and utilitarian. One of the things I really like, we found this sort of old, like, what is it, it's like a repair kit or something. We can do something like this. That can replace the side panel, right? And then when he's ready to open up the system, he just pulls it open and he sees his components. That kind of feels Walker to me. We also have a scarf, which is pretty similar to the one that he has in the game. So what we can do is once we do all of this stuff, I feel like we should just beat the case up a little bit, right? Like this thing has been through battle. Like,
Yeah, I mean, he's a warrior.
So does that mean that we get to attack the case? I mean, modify the case?
Yeah.
Do the honors?
No, we'll both do it.
Well, I've got the camera, so.
What? You can.
I'm not gonna want it.
I was just like,
I'm staring through the camera screen.
Okay. All right. Oh,
Would this be a better?
I like this.
Teal is a bad color, Judd. Teal is
Cut it out, Austin.
It's inferior.
Ooh.
Oh,
So
okay.
we're gonna get a little too crazy over here. That's it.
Sorry. Teal's a decent color. Teal's a decent color.
Decent. Back 4 Blood.
Back 4 Blood.
Oh yeah.
Game Pass.
Got those PC games.
Yeah, we should stick to our day jobs.
Yeah, I mean.
There you go. Yeah. Actually, you know what? That looks kind of weathered. Yeah. Look at that. You're a real artist after all.
Doing artist things over here.
But we'll have our aesthetics on point that mostly involve smearing paint and attacking things with blunt objects.
Listen, that thing looks good to me.
I actually think it does look pretty cool.
It looks like a Back 4 Blood PC.
All right, let's finish up Walker system tomorrow.
All right.
Let's make some progress on the other systems because those are going to be, I think, a little bit more involved, not on the aesthetics, but really on the actual building side of things. So Holly is the next build we're going to work on, and this is the one that, I mean, if we're building like a regular PC, this is the one that looks the coolest, right? It's in the O11 dynamic in yellow. We've got a lot of yellow accessories. We also have one of my favorite coolers right now, the Kraken Z73, which has the screen on the actual AIO itself. We also have a 3070 AOS Master Edition, which also has a display. We're having fun right now. There's not a lot of stress. You know, we're just chilling. But you get to 3 o'clock tomorrow, a couple hours before your flight. We're gonna be bussin', friend.
Yeah,
we're gonna be bussin'.
It's gonna be pretty rough.
We're gonna be bussin' it. Wait,
Yes.
is that the right? Is that how I should use that phrase?
I didn't quite know what you were saying. It's like bussin'. It was he.
Bussin'. You know you gotta be bussin'.
Just say it's lit.
Lit. The kids love to say lit. I love to say it lit.
Austin, we're aging ourselves.
I know, we're so old.
We're-
John, when did we get so old? We used to be so cool.
I don't know, man. We had kids. We messed up.
This case is actually something kind of cool. So this is a Corsair Vengeance C70. They have not made this case for a number of years, as you can see from the dust. But what's cool about this is that it really has that aesthetic. You know, it's actually got like the real latches.
This is serious hardware.
Yeah.
I love that there's these latches here. It's like, all right, Hoffman's gonna have to bring out the big guns here.
Time to reset your PC.
Boom, reset.
It has been a very, very long day and a very long night.
You know what sucks about Austin's studio? So guys, this is not even a real window, it's just lights.
We're gonna step out of here and it's pitch black outside. Let's take a moment. I know there's piles of PC parts and paint and stuff everywhere, but for one day, considering that you were in New Jersey this morning, tomorrow's gonna suck. We're gonna have to really hustle, but I think we might just have a shot at this. Or we're gonna cry and not finish.
Well, we don't want to do that now, do we?
Good morning! With a prodigious amount of caffeine, I think we're ready to begin day 2. So, I don't know how you got some sleep last night. I got like 2 hours, and I'm feeling great until the caffeine wears off.
Yeah, no, I got a little bit, but I definitely need a Red Bull to get us through this.
Jared has been thankfully hard at work getting Holly's system, which is really the most complicated one, so thanks for doing all the hard work and heavy lifting.
I never left.
He just changed his service.
My employer told me I can't leave until it's done.
Hoffman's system is also, I think, looking good. I am so happy with that stupid handprint.
You know, it looks really good. I feel like this will give us the best Back for Blood vibe.
We should actually, though, I think, tackle Doc's build, because we've actually got some progress done on Doc's build. What we just really need to do on this, since we may have cheated and got a head start. What we really need to do with Doc's build is get the CPU, the GPU, and the RAM installed. And we actually can get this thing fired up relatively quickly. X marks the spot.
Oh.
X marks the spot. Xbox Game Pass has PC games marks the spot. No pressure or anything, but I don't want to have to redo that beautiful thermal paste application. So if you could just get this perfect first try, that'd be awesome.
Whew. The pressure. Yeah.
We good?
Yeah, feel this. Make sure it's solid.
This is the moment of truth. I hit this button. Either this thing is going to come to life and we're going to be fine, or we're going to spend at least an hour fixing it.
Listen, I've got all the fingers crossed. No.
I may have not plugged the power button in. That's probably our problem right now. I'm just going to check the power buttons. All right, please something happen.
Yeah!
Hey! Wait. We got to post though. We got to post. Let's not get too excited yet. Let's not get too excited yet. Look, see, it's coming on and boom. Look at that. That's, So this has happened many times to us in the past, where we get a little over-eager with our PC build. We just assume it's gonna work, and most of the time it does. But sometimes, if your BIOS is slightly too old for your Ryzen 5000 series processor, it just doesn't do anything. I mean, that's just rip.
That's pretty.
Yes.
That's pretty rough.
Jared, this doesn't have a stupid BIOS flash. Ooh, it has a BIOS USB. Ooh, can we f***ing use that?
We might actually be able to.
We might actually be able to use that, right? So I've never used this before, but it should be able to, without a CPU, pull that BIOS, right?
Yeah, we'll need the USB drive, and then it should just be literally press the button, as far as, at least that's how they market it.
This is a big moment.
Either the BIOS flashback feature works, or we're not gonna finish the builds.
It'll work.
I love your confidence. Everyone ready? Nothing's happening. The issue when it comes to a PC build like this is that if your BIOS is out of date for the processor that you're trying to use, and you may or may not have already assembled said PC, there's only one way to fix it. You need to remove your CPU cooler, take out your Ryzen 5000 processor, insert an older Ryzen processor, put your cooler back on, boot the system, take a USB flash drive with the correct BIOS, update say BIOS, then take the cooler back off, take your old Ryzen processor out, then take your original Ryzen 5000 processor, put it back in, put the cooler on for the last and final time, boot it up and hope that it works. So, you know, very simple, easy process to do when you've got all the time in the world to troubleshoot your PCs and build them and ship them before it's time to go to the airport. Are you gonna hold it while we go?
I didn't put the screws in, so.
Okay. Well, it's updating at rapid speed.
Oh.
Now it's not. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold that for me. That's
I
good.
might screw these in a little bit.
That's gonna take a second. Why don't we work on Hoffman's build for a few minutes?
Listen, all right, that's the one I'm excited
This one, look,
about.
this one's gonna be so simple.
So we kind of got started on all of the builds, but considering how much time we've got left and just the big ideas that we had initially, we're probably gonna have to cut some corners. Game Pass trusted us to get these builds together. There's a lot of intricacies that go into getting these to where we want them to be. And right now, I just don't know. Okay.
That CPU is gonna get toasty immediately because we did not install a cooler. Please tell me this shows up.
We're just risking it all.
No, there's no.
Come to life. Come to life. That's just thinking about it for a second. Up, up, up. Yeah! You can go, boys! Woo! I almost peed myself. Holly is looking excellent over here.
The lights all work. We just got to get cam installed, and then we can get the rest of it done.
This
pretty
looks
fast.
awesome.
So we've got our inspiration right here.
Okay.
Definitely want to make some of her outfit kind of match what we've got going on over here. We've already got the yellow.
And then really, what's left is gonna be working on Walker's system, which looks terrible right now. I know. But this is the simplest build to put together. The light at the end of the tunnel is coming. It's still incredibly tight if we can actually get these things done. But when you look at the systems that we've been able to build, you look at some of the customization we've done, it certainly isn't perfect. There's still a lot more I wish we could do, but I think we actually just might be able to pull this thing off. Let's fire this thing up and hopefully it works. Hopefully it works.
Is our power button
The
broken?
power button is actually a little stuck. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. I may have been a little too aggressive when I was decorating the paint button. I've noticed the paint got in between the button.
Oh no.
It's just kind of stuck now. This is what victory and confidence looks like. Every minute that we waste on this is another minute that we cannot do RGB or more aesthetic tunings. All right, that button is actually just wedged. So like, it's constantly pushing it in. You wanna give that a try? It's a very sharp bleed. Oh yeah, you got it. Yes!
There we go.
Okay, ready? And it works!
Oh my god.
It works! Wait for it to post, Not sure.
Let's go.
I cannot. Wait, let's not celebrate. There's no windows on this thing that's not been decorated. We gotta go. No time for a victory lap right now. Oh my god. Dude, I'm in the middle of installing Windows and I've lost my display.
No
What?
way.
I just restarted the monitor. I wish I could just say that we're just faking this to make this video more dramatic. We're not. Here, while I tell
Oh
you
no, the
this.
HDMI was like half out.
Oh,
There you go.
you smart.
Austin, I need you to start plugging things all the way in.
I get it. Fine. All right. So this is gonna have to go in some way right here. Tape. It's electrical tape, so we just gotta like double it over, whatever.
Oh, it'll do. We'll. Go ahead, Austin. You're relax. Go breathe somewhere. I got the rest of this, man. I got this.
Oh my God, Judd, you're a
It is
genius.
actually.
You are an actual genius.
Boom.
Look at
there
that.
we go. All right, so we're down to glue this, right?
How long do we need to hold the Gorilla Glue before it actually sets?
We'll just put something heavy on it. We don't need to hold it.
There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah.
I mean,
It's on brand.
Xbox Game Pass has games.
On PC. Literally on PC.
So I'll hold it like this. I would be liberal with it.
All right.
God, I hope this works. So start rolling, and then press down. Yep. That's it. Holy.
All right, awesome. We've got something here, man.
Okay. Does this system look like hot garbage? No, it looks kind of cool, right?
No, it's definitely cool. Well, we're good.
Guys, did we do it?
I think we did it. Austin.
We did it! Oh, yes!
Hell yeah.
Oh man. No, I'm proud of us, guys. We collectively did that.
Okay, cool, thanks.
I'm over here looking at Jared.
Man, 4 PCs in 24 hours is a tall order.
So the builds are all done. I think as a team, we crushed it. They all look really good. Some have a little bit more character than others, but they all work and can easily run Back 4 Blood, which is the most important thing.
Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Xbox Game Pass for PC. which has PC games. If somehow you're not familiar with Game Pass for PC, not only do you get brand new PC games on day one, but there are over 100 high quality PC games, and if you're interested, you can get your first month for only $1. Now if you'll excuse us, it's time to go to sleep. Or actually, it's time to take you to the airport.
Yeah.
It's time to go to the airport.
I was like, I gotta go home, buddy.